and welcome back to another Around the Year crafting tutorial. Today we are going to make the cutest little origami teddy for Valentine's Day. So let's get started right away. For the teddy, you will need a square piece of paper. I'm using a 15 by 15 centimeter piece of origami paper, but ordinary paper would do just as well. You will also need a black and a pink pencil or pen for the face. If your paper is two-sided, like mine is, you want to start off with the back side up and make 2 diagonal creases from corner to corner. Next, we'll fold this corner to the middle, and then we'll fold this edge to the middle as well. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Like this. Next, we'll unfold everything again. Now we'll fold this corner to this crease up here, using the crease we've already made. And then we'll fold the corner back using this crease, like this. And again, we'll do the same thing on the other side. Once we've got this far, we'll rotate the paper 90 degrees and fold this end of the paper up like this, so there's a little bit of the back side of the paper showing here. Next, we'll fold these edges to the crease here, and once more we do the same thing on this side. And then, using the creases we've made in the previous step as a guidance, we're going to gently fold this upwards on both sides using diagonal creases like this, and then fold this down flatly. Like this. Now we'll fold down these edges to keep the flap in place. Next, we'll work on the head. To make the head, we'll fold down this end to about where these little corners are. Unfold it again and fold down this little corner up here and fold it back again. Now for the ears. We're going to turn our teddy over and fold back a little triangle at each corner of the head. These triangles can be smaller or larger depending on the size you want your ears to be. And then we'll fold part of that triangle back up again. And now our teddy is as good as done. Now for the face. We're going to give it 2 eyes with our black pen and a cute little nose. And if you like, you can also give it a little pink on the cheeks. There you are. Now all that's missing is the heart. There are lots of different hearts you can make, but I'm going to show you my favorite, the blossom heart. You're going to need only half of the squares, so we need to cut it in half. And for this heart, you'll need two-sided origami paper, like this one. So we'll start off by folding this edge over here to line it up with the long edge there. and we'll fold it back again, and then we're going to bring this edge over to this side, lining it up with the crease here. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Next, we'll push in the sides, like this. And then we do the same thing here. Practically, we now have a double water bomb base. Now we'll fold these flaps to the middle. Like this. And then we'll press them flat to get little squares. Once that's done, fold the edges of each square to the little crease in the middle of the squares and press them flat. It can be handy to use a toothpick for this to get them all even. Again, we do this on every square. After that, all that's left to do is to fold back this corner and to fold these little sharp corners here back as well. The last thing we need to do is to assemble the teddy. For that, we just push in the heart between these two little flaps, and our teddy with heart is finished. If you like, you can also secure the heart with a little bit of glue. Now our little origami teddy is finished. If you have any suggestions or ideas for one of my next videos, feel free to leave them in a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, as well as to visit my blog aroundtheyear.com for more free inspiration and tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye!